Adventures. I'm a travel content creator, and in the last video we drove 6 hours from Johannesburg to Mpumalang for the Free Sand Parks week. We went to the Kruger National Park. We went by the Leidenburg and Panoramic route, and today we do a room tour slash venue tour. Guys, I'm so happy. It's so pretty, guys. Everything is checking out like, oh my goodness. The tent is small, yes, but
it doesn't matter because that's actually just where we sleep.
It's just where we sleep. It's like just the room. Wow. Guys, let me. So guys, I would really advise that you book months in advance because the tickets are full. But let's enjoy the video. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, honey. We have arrived at Sabie River Lodge in Mpumalang. We're here for the free Kruger week. We're going tomorrow, but today let me give you a room tour. So we have a tent. The tent is separate from everything. So the bathroom is over there and the kitchen is at the back. I will show it to you. Let's get a tour. We are in cabin 1, by the way. Our room is pretty basic. So you get your chilling area in the room. You get your bed, your net, tons of lights, extras, the aircon, and the power. Okay, so the nice thing is that you can always open up to let more light in, like the cabin in Kruger. Okay guys, we're going swimming. Let me show you the rest of it. The rest of it. So when I booked, it seemed like we were going to be sharing a bathroom. I was pretty pissed. I'm sure you've seen it in the video already. But tent number 1, right? Welcome. Right? So pretty, guys. It's so pretty, and it's not even on the website. Like it nice. I could be here for a week, honestly. Can you imagine me snorting here? No, go away. No. So that's the shower, guys. Really, shower. Like I can't get over the roof though. I feel like, oh my goodness. There we go. Then right behind you is the toilet. And a big lizard on the wall. Big lizard on the wall. Okay, that's about it. Did I forget? We have a kitchen. Let me show you. So, I'm most impressed that I have a fridge. I left a fridge at home and I have a fridge. It's not a bar fridge, it's an actual fridge. A whole fridge. Look at this. Look at this. Instagram filter with the glitters. But guys, it's mid-month, so obviously, you know, graph. Good job. The situation is sure only ice blocks in the fridge, and they've been now high. So you have your sink, you have a 2-plate stove, microwave, free cookies, and a tea area. So you have all my teas. Definitely drinking tea today. And there we go with the cups and sauces and everything else. You have a giant bowl, I guess, for the bride. So yeah, that's cool. And then a chopping board at the bottom. I like it.
It really is cute.
Also, you can close from both sides. I don't know if you like need triple protection for mosquitoes to not come in. Oh, I am not mad at this place. I think that's the family room.
Swinging chairs.
Ah, funny. It's so nice that I can just sit on the stairs. They said the water is hot though. Baby.
A hippo.
Where? No way! Hey, that is so dope! Can you guys see it? Did it submerge? Oh no, why? But it looks like there's a bunch of them in there. Oh my word! There's one. Can you guys see it? There it is. Oh, another one. Oh my goodness. Guys, literally there's a fence dividing us from the Kruger. Fence. Kruger. Fence. Kruger.
Hunter said he gets a mobona. It's the end of his life.
Guys, see me? Guys.
How do you get a mobona?
Where's Angwadi?
He's fishing. It looks like he's fishing.
Doesn't look like a kid though.
Okay, yeah, it's not a kid. Oh, what?
No, I'm scared.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
View, baby. The view. It is the one. Gate leads to the Kruger Gaizini. It looks like there's a footpath here. All the way that side. Okay guys, so this is the boundary or the other end of the property. Here we go. Bye-bye. This is cabins 4 and 5, which are not on bookings.com. I mean, that's tent 4 and 5, way bigger. And these are the cabins. They're the luxury cabins. Let's show you what, guys.